Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Space and Geometry Exercises Part 1. This video just consists of a number of exercises from the work we've done in the Year 4 course, and I've just constructed these exercises just to help you with your revision. Now, I have answers at the end, okay, so you'll be able to check all your answers at the end. State whether each object is a prism or a pyramid. Name each of the following 2D shapes. Now you can pause the video at any time and just write those answers on a piece of paper if you like. And as I said earlier, the answers are at the end. Answer the following questions. How many sides do each of the following 2D shapes have? A triangle, pentagon, square, hexagon, octagon, and rectangle. What 3D object can be constructed from each of the following nets? That's the first net, this net here, this net, and this net. So as I said before, you can pause the video at any time for as long as you want, and you can answer these questions on a sheet of paper, and the answers are at the end. Name whether each of the following angles is acute, obtuse, reflex, right, straight, or a full revolution. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 different types of angles, and you are to name each of those angles, and you have the choices there in front of you. Now, as I said earlier, the answers are on the next 3 slides. So you can pause the slides anytime you want to double check your answers. So here we go. I'll leave each slide on for about 10 seconds. That's the next slide with the answers. And the last one.